All right, tip calculator 2. Go ahead and hit next and create. Still loading. Hop into your main storyboard. Today, I'm going to show you how to use 2 view controllers. All right? So the very first thing in our library is our view controller. I'm going to go ahead and drag this guy over. All right, so now I have 2. Wonderful. Now, put it right next to it. Put it smack dab to the right of it so your brain knows that it's going to go onto the next screen. Left to right is the way our brains work, so let's do it that way. All right, I then have to go to File, top left-hand corner. I need to connect these, okay? So right here, we have our viewcontroller.swift. Take a look here, guys. So here we have viewcontroller.swift. We need to go and make a new one for this new view controller. Okay, so we use somewhere to write code. Right now we just have a storyboard. It's not view controller. All right. So let's go into File, New File, File, New File. Everyone got this far? File, New File, and we want to click Coca Touch Class. Coca Touch Class, the very first one. It is very important, importante, that our subclass is UI View Controller. We had a bunch of kids last class period that was like SB Subnet or something, SNC. Yes, that one, okay? Change that to UI View Controller. And we need to type in tip amount. Tip amount view controller. All right, go ahead and create that. So that will throw you into the tip amount view controller.swift where we can write our code. All right, if you do not have like the override view did load and those view did load did receive memory warning, if your screen does not look like this, it's because you did not click the UI controller. All right, you click the subnet or whatever that is called. NSO object, all right? And whatever. So, click back to your storyboard. All right, so your storyboard might have shifted on you. Go ahead and line those suckers back up. Okie dokie, take a look. So if I click on this yellow dot on my very first view controller and go up to what kind of looks like an ID card or the American flag kind of. All right, a very small ID card or American flag right here, the identity inspector. Okay, it should say view controller right here. That is telling me that this screen is linked up to my view controller.swift. All right, so now we have to go to our second view controller, click the yellow dot, and we need to change the class to tip amount view controller. And you can just type it in. Tip amount view controller should pop up.
What happens if you don't have any class in here? Is that bad?
What's that?
It says I don't have any class for controls.
You must click this yellow dot and then click this ID up here. Okay? Make sure that you click the yellow dot, click the ID card or identity inspector, all right, and then in class, tip amount view controller. Once again, we're connecting the storyboard view controller to the code itself, all right? Is everyone caught up? All right, so I put in a label for bill amount. I have my text field, have my calculate button. On my second screen, 2 labels. One label that says your tip should be in the other one. I just changed the background to white. So now, this is not a text field. This is a label, all right? Why is it not a text field? Because this is where my answer is going to go. Remember, a text field is something that the user can put in information and have it spit out. That's what we're going to put here, right? The bill amount. But we want our number, our answer, to show up in a label. They're not phones. They're not phones. They're 2 screens. Okay? So this is screen number 1. When I hit this button, I'm going to show you this. Look. When I hit this button, it'll connect this button to the screen. So when I hit this,
so
it's
it
gonna go
goes
to
to different screens.
exactly.
Oh,
So here we go. All I have to do is hold my control button. Watch. Everybody watch. I'm holding control. Eyes on the screen, please. Eyes on the screen, please. All right. Connect. All I have to do is say show. All right. And now, when I run this, everyone go ahead and do that quick and run.
I was hacking too hard. Shut that little computer. Couldn't handle the tank up. Do we just play it?
I'm just playing it right now. So now, when I hit calculate, my second screen comes up. Pretty freaking awesome.
That is pretty awesome.
All right. Now, you know what sucks? I can't get back. All right, I'm stuck on the screen. There's no back button. No. Check this out. Way easier than that. Click on your first view control. Up at the very top, go to Editor. Go to Embed In. Navigation Control. Embed In Navigation Control. Go ahead and hit that. Now, we have this new screen that popped up, our nav control. Run it again. Yeah, we got that nav control.
Oh my god.
All I did was I clicked on my first view control. Went up to Editor, very top. Scroll down to Embed In, Nav Control. Go ahead and click your button. Holy shnikes, we got a back button, folks. Hit calculate.
Yes.
I'm lost. Mr. E.
Hey, look at my picture.